Welcome to Recovery Connection. Congratulations on making this step. I know how hard it is when you're an addict to actually go and look for help. My name is Michael, and I'm an addict. And once you're an addict, you're always going to be an addict. But here at Recovery Connection, we care about you. And the first step is that you need to give us a call and come in and talk to one of our medical professionals and get the help that you really need. So call this phone number right above me. And then, when you come in, we're going to not only offer you Suboxone and therapy, but we're going to be there for your whole life. This is not a one-time step. This is a lifetime move on your part. And I know that the difficult part is to first come to this website, to even look for the help. And then the next most difficult step is actually to contact us, to ask about coming in for your help. And the very hardest part is to actually show up here. But if you don't do these steps, and you do nothing, then what is it that you're looking for in life? You're not happy right now the way your life is. And this is the way to take the step to live the happy life that you've always dreamed of. So please, I implore you, give us a call. Come on in to 381 Wickenden Street. We're here to help you. We understand your problems, and we can actually make a difference in your life.